Hello and welcome to Week 2, following your introduction to knowledge exchange. This week will be all about protecting knowledge and research results. We'll talk about the different options you have and their uses. But to put things in perspective, it is good to know that over 95% of university output enters the world through peer-reviewed scientific publication. So protection of research results by intellectual property rights is the exception to the rule. Now first we'll examine why it can be important to protect your knowledge and research results. If you protect your knowledge and research results, you can set the conditions for use. That means you can allow only certain parties to use it and limit the type of use. Alternatively, you could decide to allow open access and have the community contribute to the development of the research results. You also may want to try to ensure the further use of research results. In certain industries, research results are not being used at all if they are not protected by intellectual property rights because of a lack of competitive edge. A company may, for instance, only want to invest in the further development if they can claim exclusivity. Protection by intellectual property rights also gives you the opportunity to generate revenues. That could be as a compensation for its use by a commercial partner. For instance, you may receive milestones or royalty payments. But also, having intellectual property rights registered in your name increases your chances when you apply for a new research grant. So intellectual property rights may help you get more research funding. Finally, as a researcher, you get the academic credits for the research results when your name is connected to an intellectual property right. This strengthens your competitive position as a researcher. These are the main reasons why it makes sense to protect your creative effort, inventions, or knowledge. This week we'll discuss the different options that are available to you and their benefits and pitfalls. In the coming videos, we'll talk about intellectual property rights in general, and particularly about patents and copyrights. And we'll also talk about confidentiality and know-how. See you then.